Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to bake a banana cake. Watch the video till the end. For my new viewers, please consider subscribing. For my returning subscribers, asanteni sana guys, thank you for your support. Stay tuned, watch the video till the end. I'm using 1 banana, 1 egg because my cake is small. Kwa hiyo unaweza tumia any amount of eggs, any amount of bananas depending on your cake size. So watch the video till the end. I'll write all the ingredients that I've used. Do not forget to subscribe. Please comment, like and share. Thank you so much for watching.